Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So I am just jumping on here for just a quick minute so I can tell you about a freebie and money maker deal that is happening. I'm so excited about this deal. It's anywhere from December 1st to the 14th of this sale that is going on. So before I get into the deal, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. You don't miss any of these quick freebie deals that I will pop up as they come up throughout the week. All right, so let me tell you a little bit about what you need to do first. So for this deal in particular, we had new printables that popped up from coupons.com, and they're really good coupons. So there's one in particular that you're definitely going to have to print off, that AirWick coupon that you see over here in the picture. But there are so many other deals. There's the Chic disposable razors, there's Colgate coupons, there's Finish coupons, there's a whole bunch of different CoverGirl coupons. Oh, there's just so many different printable coupons this week that are so good that you definitely want to jump on and grab. I'm going to have a link in the description box below that's going to connect you to all of these these printable coupons. And you want to make sure you print from my link instead of going straight to coupons.com. It doesn't change how you print, but it does help me to continue to do these videos. It gives me a little bit of a kickback as an affiliate of coupons.com. And so using my links helps me out a ton, but it doesn't change how you print at all. So please, please, please go to the description box and click that link before you head to the printer and printing off these coupons. Now, with that being said, let's talk about AirWick. Okay, so we already kind of knew about a deal going on, so let me explain the new deal. AirWick Oil Warmer 2 counts, regularly priced $2.99, on sale for $2.79. Even if on Wednesday they go back up to original price of $2.99, this is still going to be a freebie and a moneymaker. So really awesome. Now, we want to use the new 3-off-1 printable coupon. Now, don't worry if your store does not allow you to use printable coupons. I've heard that a couple places, Kroger's won't allow them to use printable coupons. That is not a national policy. That is a store-by-store policy. So if your particular Kroger does not allow you to use printable coupons, no worries. Coupons.com app also has the 3-off-1. So you can still grab this same deal. You'll just submit to coupons.com. So you're going to pay the full $2.79 out of pocket and then submit to coupons.com. Okay, that makes sense. So you want to use the 3-off-1. There's also that free digital coupon. I already used mine earlier this week, and it's actually, it's not as good as using the 3-off-1 printable coupon, which is kind of funny. So out of pocket, you'll pay nothing. Plus, you're going to have 21 cents of overage. So you want to make sure something else is in your cart with this product so that 21 cents of overage can go towards something else. Then you want to submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on one. It's a limit of 3 times, and mine reset. So I'm super excited. So if you still have the free digital and you get 2 printable coupons, or use 2 printable coupons and submit to coupons.com, you could really do a killing on this if you can find 3 of this product. Okay, so submit to coupons.com, submit to Ibotta, all those good things. Your final cost is going to be completely free and a $2.71 moneymaker. So we were looking at a $2.50 moneymaker, which is still amazing, but why not have a little bit better of a moneymaker here? Use some of that overage to pay for other things in your cart, or when you submit to coupons.com, you'll have that extra 21 cents that will come to you through PayPal. Really, really excited about this deal. If you like these quick freebies, please, please, please give me a great big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you are going to do this deal. I know many of you told me when I told you about this deal on Wednesday, which was the $2.50 moneymaker. A lot of you told me that your store never carries these or is constantly out of stock. So it really kind of stinks if that happens for you. But if your store has plenty in stock like mine did when I went on, I think I went Thursday and did it. This is going to be a killer deal. All right, guys. So have a wonderful weekend, and I'll be back with you with more deals. Make sure you're subscribed. Bye, guys.